If you want to empower your team with self-service HR tools, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to boost efficiency, reduce workload, and enhance employee satisfaction by giving your team control over their own HR tasks. Imagine a workplace where your employees don't need to bug HR for every little request. Instead, they can handle everything from benefits enrollment to requesting time off on their own. That's exactly what self-service HR tools allow you to do, and it's easier than you think. Stick around till the end, because I'll share a special offer for a free trial of the software we're using today, exclusive to my viewers. Let's dive in. The first step in empowering your team is choosing the right self-service HR tool. You'll want something intuitive that's easy for employees to use and integrates well with your existing systems. We're using a powerful and user-friendly solution today, which has been a game changer for many businesses. You'll find a link to a free trial of this software in the description, so stay tuned for that. Once you have your software set up, start by getting your employees familiar with the platform. A good self-service tool allows employees to update their personal information, request time off, view pay stubs, and even check their benefits, all without needing to go through HR. The key here is simplicity. The easier it is for employees to use, the more likely they are to take advantage of it. Next, make sure to configure the software to suit your company's needs. This means setting up permissions, approval workflows, and benefits information that's relevant to your team. By automating these processes, HR can focus on more strategic tasks while employees handle routine requests themselves. This not only saves time, but also minimizes errors. It's important to keep communication open with your team about the new tools available to them. Whether it's through onboarding sessions or company-wide emails, ensure they know exactly how to use the software and where to go for support. The better they understand it, the more empowered they'll feel. Now, let's talk about the impact. By implementing self-service HR tools, you free up HR from constant administrative tasks, allowing them to focus on more value-added activities like talent development and employee engagement. It also reduces the time employees spend waiting on HR for simple requests, helping to improve overall productivity and satisfaction. Before I wrap up, remember that this software we're using today can help transform the way you manage HR tasks. If you want to follow along and see how it can empower your team, be sure to grab the exclusive free trial in the description below. This offer is only available to my viewers. Key takeaway: empowering your team with self-service HR tools is a win-win. It saves time, boosts productivity, and gives your employees more control over their HR needs. Start by choosing the right tool, make sure your employees understand how to use it, and watch the transformation. And don't forget to grab your free trial below and start implementing these changes today. Thanks for watching.